I don't want you to be just eating stuff that doesn't taste good because it's healthy, because in reality, healthy food should taste awesome. Even though in the beginning the processed stuff has like more flavor and things like that, what ends up happening after you get off them for 3 weeks or so, we see something very, very interesting that people are not sometimes aware that you could do, and is you can change your taste buds, okay? And what I mean by that is that the taste buds reset, and things that didn't taste good now start tasting good. You actually start identifying flavors that before you even couldn't. It was like you were not sensitive to them. And then other things, then you identify, oh, what is all this sugar? I mean, who messed up my tea, with all this sugar? You've always tasted the same. It's just that your taste buds were affected, were bombarded by so much sugar and fat and salt that they're like numb. And once you start getting into more real foods, then you start appreciating and identifying and enjoying food actually much better. A couple of ways to incorporate healthy food in your diet that makes it easier for a lot of people is going to be, one of them is going to be smoothies. That's very simple, quick breakfast, quicker than almost anything that you can imagine, and it's gonna be great for you, and you already have a jump start on things. So the other thing would be soups, and soups are one of the easiest ways to get very, very high nutrient dense stuff and make it easy for everybody to eat it, and it's just one meal. For the most part, just put a lot of veggies. You cannot go wrong with any veggies. Make sure that you add to your diet more spices, and then the herbs, great. They're some of the most potent things that you can add. The other thing that you can add that is very potent is going to be sprouts. So you can do all kinds of sprouts. You can do sprouting at home. Nuts and seeds, very, very key. Chia seeds have a lot of fiber, okay? And you really want to get that fiber in because fiber helps with a lot of things. Those are some of the little things that you can add. All the veggies are fine. Just stick with all the veggies. And I'm gonna keep giving some of these ideas as we go along, some of the other videos, and we're gonna keep going as we are. But thank you for everything, and we'll talk.